Peace be upon you. How are you doing? I have a big request for a video that you should share with many of your friends. There are many mistakes in your payment account, which means that you haven't set the correct business type, and this is a problem. After that, you may face issues with your name as well. There could be issues with delays. You should address these matters. If you have made mistakes in these, then you should correct them properly. And make sure to update your operations accordingly. So, many of you are tense about this, wondering what will happen next. I am also concerned about this matter, and I am trying to figure out what will happen next. Just check if you have clicked on the update. Otherwise, you may not be able to update here. You might not be able to update your address, so you should ensure that you can update it. I just wanted to clarify some things regarding your information. I have this data available, and I have been working on it for the last 2 days. This is the updated information. Just know that the payment account will be affected if you do not take care of it. Once you go to the payment account, you'll understand the details better. I clicked on the net sheet, and it was definitely important. After clicking on that, I see the savings here. In these savings, I am looking at several details, and after clicking on the savings, you can also see the necessary information. My name is still there, and the date is still visible. However, some words seem to be missing. How did this happen? I am trying to figure out how this happened. I will directly check what I can do here, and after checking, I will click on the help support, and after clicking on help support, I will click on the necessary options available. Click here to see a message from Apple. I have sent a message on November 12th and another on November 30th. Today is the scheduled date, meaning I have 2 days, but the solution has been delayed. What to do now? You can see here, I have been told to wait, that your issue will be resolved here. Please click on this link. You will receive a new notification. A confirmation will come. Yes, I have received a message regarding this. You will not get this for sure. You will have to work on this. If you do not cast it, you will not be able to resolve this issue. I have sent an email regarding that. After sending the email, what will happen? So there is some good news. I've come here to tell you that. You can see something here. So there is something you can see. I have sent a message to you. Here is the update. Regarding this message, please tell me what to do. Gradually send the message. Send a message and you will see here in this post that your name, correct address, all the details should be sent to me. I mean, they are saying to provide the details, so I have sent them here. I can see it here. This is a reply message. From this reply message, I will tell them the addresses. I can see it here. Why is that? And in one way, we voice back by print for a connecting, but the base, we had this again, but for a routine made. So when you are in trouble, what will you do? Send an email to them, ask them what to do. If you are late at night, then what will you do? So first I will tell you, I am writing this letter. This letter is about my video decision or commentary. You should not copy this letter. After copying, you should do it. Make sure you are using your Chrome browser directly. So hope you have your Chrome browser ready. So you can see your profile today. The profile will be updated here. She's a dashboard. As she is a dashboard, and she is a dashboard, and she is a dashboard, you will click OK. So click on the Silage. Its appearance a bit. Its appearance is a bit. Its appearance is a bit. Its appearance a bit. Its appearance is a bit. It means it's appeared. It is appearance a bit. Its appearance is a bit. It means for meaning, 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 for meaning. So here you don't have any time. Mine is complete. Mine is but saying setup, meaning mine is saying here. So I will do the setup here. So you will cast your Raj. You will give the payment help option here. This payment help. You will give the payment help option. You will give the payment help option. You will give the payment help option. Click on the arc. Then you can do your task. For you, the call will be in the notification. At this point, it will be available. At this point, you can click on the option. You can click on the portal. It will be available in the notification. Look, this is what you do. This is an upfront. how do you upload or update my pay or tax information? Hit this and you will click. I clicked on it. After clicking, you can do your task. You can click to cut this. After that, if you click, your profile page will come. I clicked here. After clicking, you will see an option, which you can also say you are right, or you can say you are right. That will tell you where to go. Here's the tax, here's the text written, okay? So here's the central statement. This option is not for us because it is in all solutions. This is the thing, okay? If you click here, you will see that there are no options available, but there is an option for you to indicate something that you want to express in detail. After that, we have written the text for you, and the text will be in a format that you can easily use, and you will provide the necessary information in your text. After that, when you send the messages, they will go through, and when they arrive, you will see your messages in your inbox. Here, you will see the options available, and if you come here, the settings will help you if you come here. If you want to view the message, you can see what you have sent, and it will show the messages that you have sent. So, this is how you can reply to us when you provide us with this data, which you have, and you will successfully receive a payment confirmation. Therefore, please ensure your account is complete. And if your account is complete, how you can access it will be explained to you. If you say your account is complete, then this is not a problem for us to handle your request. If you cannot complete your application, you will not be able to access it. So, this completes the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave a like or comment. Thank you. So be.